Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy a website here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Copying a Squarespace website is a straightforward process that can be useful in several scenarios, especially when you're looking to streamline your workflow, create new projects, or maybe test some ideas. Now, for example, if you're building multiple websites with a similar layout, design, or structure, copying an existing Squarespace sites saves time and effort. This is very useful for agencies or like freelancers who manage several client sites and want to maintain consistency across their portfolio. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the profile icon on the bottom left corner. What will happen is you would be forwarded to your account dashboard. Now, if I say copying a website is a straightforward process, that means it's very easy because all you have to do is gonna click on the three dots or ellipsis buttons here and click on the duplicate website. Basically, that's copying a website. This side can take up to a few minutes, but of course, you can also leave this page during the whole process. If you click on the duplicate or copy, right, it will allow you to create a version to test new designs. Maybe you wanted to experiment on features or content without affecting the live version of your site. I find it very ideal for testing where you compare how different versions of your site performs in terms of user engagement, conversion rates, or traffic. Now, I'm not sure what happens, but if you have found this similar error, you might want to contact the Squarespace support, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to copy a website on your account. Well, let's try to do that again, all right? To see if that would work this time. Wait for it to load. You see that? Copying content on 3 out of 4. Just wait for it. Now, if you are maybe rebranding or to launching a new product, copying your existing website gives you a foundation to build upon. Basically, all I have to do again is click this and duplicate website. But seems like I'm getting an error here. I'm just gonna click on the contact Squarespace support. If you encounter similar problems like this one, just click on contact support and of course let them know that they're having problems duplicating or copying your website. They would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.